and this single program. Okay, so this is a block page. From here you can go back. You can go to about us, go back. Okay, understood this concept of anchor tag? Yes or no? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? यहाँ पे किसी को डाउट है? Anyone, any sort of doubt? You can tell.
No, sir.
One important thing is now you can see if you click on this any of this page, you can see you are navigating in the same Chrome tab. Okay, now there is one parameter. It's called target. Okay. If you put the target as underscore blank, now if you will click about us, so what is going to happen? You click about us, the document is opening in a new tab. Irrespective of you are here in the same page, but about us page is open in a new tab. Okay. If you go back, so obviously index.html. Now again about us, another new tab. So this is the concept of target equals to underscore blank. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next thing we look at list. Okay. So whenever you are working with a really large application, so you will use data in the link. List. Okay. So you will be using lists to like showcase some data which are uniform. So now lists are of two types: numbered list and unnumbered list. Means, there will be a sequence or there won't be any sequence. Okay, so these are called as ordered list and unordered list. Okay. So we will check for ordered list. Okay. So list start from OL. Okay, which OL means ordered list. Now, if you want to show any item in the list, it is a LI, list item. Okay. Now I will just copy this here. This is one of the items. See, you can see a number here. Okay. Now, for another list item, I can utilize the same thing. And like, and that's okay. Is it clear? Yes, sir. ये clear हुआ? Order list सभी को?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Yeah, sure. Okay, see, number system पे use किया like suppose you are building any sort of document, sometimes you need to require number string. You are using sequence 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 list sort of item. Okay. Now even in the website you can like encounter a scenario where you are required to use the list sort of thing. Okay, so how do you put number now? Putting number every time 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a solution. Okay, to make it feasible, we have list available. Okay. Now list are of two types: ordered list and unordered list. Okay, let's see what is different between ordered list and unordered list. Okay.
So,
Okay, so just replace OL with UL. Okay, unordered list. Now you can see the difference. Ordered list will be a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but in unordered list, there will be bullet points. Okay. You can remove these numbering, or you can like replace the type of this numbering using the CSS, but these are the default. Okay, you can replace this one to with Roman numerals or something ABCD, this sort of sequence. You can replace these like circular bullet points with some sort of different bullet points. Okay, so this is some difference between order and an order list. Item will be the same sequence, but the points will be different. Okay, is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, even in the list itself, you can create like another sort of list. Okay. So suppose you have got like item. Now, what we can do, we can create another order list. Okay. Right. You can see this is another sort of list. So you can just copy paste. Item one. Or you can make it subtitle You can see in that number one extent we got one subtitle and another subtitle. Okay, so spacing are by default, so this is some sort of least sequence. Okay, is it clear? Yes or no? Okay, now I told you about a tag, okay, anchor tag, image tag. Now, what you have to build is you have to build an anchor tag, okay, but there won't be any text. There should be an image, and when you will click on the image, you should be navigating to another page. Okay, understood what you have to do? So,
Yes, sir.
yeah, instead of this text, you will have an image, and when you click on that image, you will navigate to a different page. For reference, this page will be visible. Okay, it's 10:32. I will give you 5 minutes to try this. Okay, try building using image and a tag. Let's see what you can do. Okay, clear? Okay, try it.
Sir, with the A tag, we need to insert. We need to like have an image
Yeah.
that leads to the previous.
Yes, exactly. You have to build a page link so that you will click on image instead of text and you will navigate to a different page.
Yes, sir.